Exploring the food court, a bite-sized guide. Hello, and welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a flavorful part of English vocabulary, the term food court. If you've ever been to a mall, you might have seen or even visited one. Let's unpack what this phrase means and how you can use it. A food court is more than just a place to eat. It's a large area within a shopping mall, airport, or complex where you can find a variety of food stalls and vendors. It's like a buffet of different cuisines, all under one roof. You can think of it as a communal dining room where everyone can pick their own favorite meal. What makes a food court unique? It's the diversity of options. From fast food to international dishes, sweets to savory, there's something for everyone. Picture a central seating area surrounded by counters serving pizza, sushi, sandwiches, and more. It's not just about food. It's a place to socialize and take a break from shopping or traveling. Yes, there's an unspoken code of conduct in a food court. Be mindful of the space. It's common to share tables with strangers when it's busy, so keep your area tidy. Once you're done eating, clean up after yourself if there's no service staff around. Now that you know what a food court is, let's put it into practice. You can say, "Let's meet at the food court for lunch," or "The food court has many vegetarian options." It's a versatile term that's handy when discussing dining options in public places. That's all on food courts. They're a wonderful part of modern life that offers convenience and variety. Next time you're in one, you'll not only enjoy the food but also appreciate the term a bit more. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has enriched your English vocabulary and your dining experiences.